I love you. She is happy. He runs fast. They are coming. We are ready. You look great. Time flies fast. Open the door. Close the window. Bring some water. She sings beautifully. He eats slowly. Birds are flying. I am hungry. You are kind. They play outside. We enjoy learning. She dances well. He writes stories. I feel tired. You did well. He is sleeping. We love traveling. He helps everyone. He studies hard. The sun shines. She reads books. He drives fast. We respect elders. The baby sleeps. She feels cold. He plays cricket. I trust you. The dog barks. She wears glasses. He enjoys music. The clock ticks. He arrived late. I forgive you. The phone rings. He speaks softly. She is confident. She drinks coffee. They laugh loudly. I am learning. The stars shine. She always smiles. She cooks dinner. She cleans daily.
They exercise regularly.
She watches T.V.